Remind and reminder. Remind. Cause to remember someone or something. 1. Cause someone to think of because of a resemblance or likeness. Make one think of. Cause one to remember. Put one in mind of. Take one back to. Take one back to. Bring to mind. Call to mind. Awake one's memories of. Evoke. Call up. Conjure up. Summon up. 2. Bring something, especially a commitment or the necessary course of action, to the attention of someone. Jog someone's memory, refresh someone's memory, help someone remember, cause someone to remember, prompt, nudge, give someone a cue. Reminder. I think that causes someone to remember something. A letter 1. A letter sent to remind someone of an obligation, especially to pay a bill. Prompting, cue, nudge, mnemonic.